So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MD. So many of you have been asking me once again if the actual Google modulator, basically this makes your TV smart. Many of you have been asking me if this costs money. No, it just costs what you actually pay for this, which is around $30, and then you just need to connect it to the HDMI, and then you just need to charge it. I mean, in any socket, it will actually do. Now, once it's actually charging and you've got it set up, it doesn't cost any money, so you do not have to pay any subscriptions other than the actual internet, naturally, or if you want to use Netflix, well, the proper Netflix, or YouTube if you want to use YouTube Premium. But other than that, it just costs what this costs, which is around $30. Then you're ready to go. And I mean, it's a wonderful actual thing to have your TV smart. Basically, it makes your TV, even if it's an older version, smart again. And I think it's pretty much amazing. And no, I'm gonna leave this real clear. It doesn't cost money. You just have to pay for the device, but then there isn't any subscription fee or anything whatsoever other than the actual Netflix or the HBO or the Disney, whatever you wanna be subscribed to, but not the actual device. Doesn't cost any subscription whatsoever. Just the charging, HDMI, and you're ready to go.